Hi, I'm Alex Chang from Tecella. This is the next generation fully featured USB-powered single-channel amplifier, the Pico. The first thing you'll notice about the Pico is that it's an extremely lightweight and compact form factor. It weighs in at under 4 ounces without sacrificing any of the features of a high-end amplifier system. Features of the Pico include a built-in digitizer, built-in headstage, voltage clamp, current clamp, low power consumption, ultra-low noise with excellent hum noise rejection. Patented automatic compensations include automatic leak compensation, automatic capacitance compensation, and automatic artifact removal. The Pico supports patch clamp, bilayer, and many other electrophysiological experiments. We can customize the Pico to meet any customer needs. Come see the Pico November 14th to 17th at booth number 2931 at the Society for Neuroscience in San Diego, California. Find out more information at www.tecella.com or email info@tecella.com.